haircut, okay? I'm going for the all-time record.
Are you recording?
Just go.
Oh God, what are you guys doing?
Playing tic-tac-toe.
Extreme tic-tac-toe.
It's not extreme, okay?
No, extreme.
It was an accident. You keep repeating that like it's gonna make it any better. I have to think now. Are you recording my strategies?
No, the page.
Oh, record the score.
Get here. I have to mark. You're like, I know you're doing something because you don't just mark there. What are you doing?
I'm not doing
You gotta
anything.
read your mind.
Haha.
I'm not doing anything, Jesse.
Just like you didn't.
It was that. I'm not doing anything good, darn it.
Aww.
I'm serious. Have you ever seen a worse circle?
Oh, can you get a zoom in on our little French dude?
Oh, still, you're moving.
Do a little zoom in.
Frenchie. And you're supposed to have him go.
Hold on, it's too close. Touchy.
And you gotta do a little zoom in on our little score right here. I'm Moses, she's Jesus.
What? Hold
I
on.
don't know. We just said we could, Jesse said we could like sell it to someone and she could be Jesus.
Cool.
Make some papyrus man and say Jesus and Moses. Were they even alive at the same time?
No.
I was gonna say, I didn't think they were.
Moses came after.
Go, Jess.
Well, Jesus came back from the dead again. We can say that. It could be Jesus Jr.
This isn't your camera, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Don't say anything about my circle, okay?
What's wrong with the circle this time?
I don't know, but look at those circles. That doesn't look like a circle.
It kind of looks like Saturn.
It does look like Saturn.
She kept doing
guy
it, so I
named
started making
Caleb.
fun of her, and then she started
What?
It did.
I just got this new number,
Yeah?
and like somebody called for some Caleb from Robert Young.
Oh.
I'm trying to, but you're all rushing me.
I'm not rushing
You're doing
you,
something
okay?
again.
No, I'm not. This is the same exact thing I did last time. What am I going to do to you?
Yeah?
Nothing, because I'm going to do the exact same thing I did last time.
That's why I want to check it.
What does she have?
Well, just like she
You're a loser.
her bipolar stuff.
Oh.
No, wait, we can make his hair. Look at it.
Yeah, it is.
Hold
I
on.
was like freaking out.
Turn a little face.
Ooh.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. I gotta give him a little eyebrows.
What are you doing?
Oh no, it's Morgan.
Gotta give him some whiskers. Be puppy little cute.
We're just playing hangman.
No, we're not playing Hangman. I'm doodling, okay? Okay, now go.
It looks like an evil cat.
Shut up, Jesse.
It does look like an evil cat.
An evil cat with eyebrows.
Okay, now